I'm gonna show you guys how I made these delicious chicken lettuce wraps. I started off by getting an iceberg lettuce and cutting off the root and soaking it in water. I peeled one organic carrot and then I'm gonna slice it up just like this. And then I'm gonna julienne style cut these carrots. If you don't want to use a grater, here's another style. We're gonna mince up our garlic, get our shiitake mushrooms, and roughly chop them up. They don't have to be evenly diced up. I got some chicken breasts because I don't like to use ground chicken from the grocery store. You never know what they grind up in that chicken. It could be ground neck, ground feet, ground whatever you can think of the chicken. I used oyster sauce, black mushroom soy sauce, Shaoxing wine, crushed red peppers, salt, chicken bouillon, and minced garlic. I mixed it up and I let it marinate for a few minutes. And then I got my cast iron skillet hot and ready with avocado oil. I want to spread the chicken meat out and let it saute. And then we're going to throw in our mushrooms and carrots. Add a little bit more dark soy sauce and then some green onions and mix it up. I'm going to make that one sauce from that one restaurant. Soy sauce, wasabi, mustard. I didn't have hot mustard, so I decided to create my own. I got some red chili paste and then mixed it up. And here we go, the sauce from that one restaurant. The reason why I soaked the iceberg lettuce is to break it apart. If you try to peel the iceberg lettuce dry, it's not going to come out perfect like these little cups here. I added in some bean sprouts at the end. Now it's time to enjoy these delicious chicken lettuce wraps. We're going to drizzle some of that sauce on there, and then we're going to like, comment, share, and subscribe.